Hello? What the hello? Um, chat? Chat, can you hear me, chat? I'm testing Beepo again. Well, let me turn this music down. It's so fire, but it's so loud. I've got some updates to Beepo. They need testing. Oh, stop. Ah! Beepo don't respond. Okay. Shit. For some reason, it immediately went to. It started generating immediately. Hi, Luma. That was weird. Why the it shouldn't the auto mode shouldn't be on by default. It's not on by default. So why the fuck was Beep? Oh, I know why Beepo was talking. It's because I said his name because my shit. I made the thing awesome. I made it work. That's legendary. Okay. Thank you, Beepo. That's amazing. Just I can't wait to lose all of my money. The hell? What the hell's wrong with you, Nano? Making me approve your messages? Also, hi, welcome in. Hi, Nano. Why do you hate Beepo? What did Beepo ever do to you? Oh shit, why is the partial suck? My I might be my shit might be fucked. Hold on. No, you can't at Beepo, but you can't. There is a redeem, and I think you should have enough points to use it, where you can talk to the little bird. I have to be like cognizant of when I say his name now, because I'll wake him up. The ASR is lagging right now so bad. Kind of strange that it thinks that it costs any significant amount of money for people to use it. But how much? How many? It's like 100 something points a what? Like 15 minutes? Okay, I need to figure out why the ASR is shitting the bed. Hold on, this music is distracting me. Shut up, Toei. You're really cool and stuff, but like, I think the partial broke. I might have to restart. Or I guess I can maybe just restart the speech recognition. Restart. Do it. Do it. Is it restarting? No, I don't think it's restarted. It's not working. Fuck. What happened to the wife redeem? Wife redeem got nuked. I kind of felt like it was a little. I felt a little weird about it, especially after the fucking the incidents, like the things that required me to ban some people. I was like, ugh. Ugh. I have to restart Beepo. Fuck. They're already on the iceberg, I think. Yeah, there was a redeem where it was just like you spent 100,000 points, I think, or 50,000 points, and I give you like a Discord role and VIP. You came everywhere. That is disgusting. Chat, can we fucking ban Wagyu permanently? Okay, Beepo, why aren't you stopping? Beepo is refusing to shut down. Are we good? Yeah, okay, we're good. That was scary. No, not yet. It's not. He's not even on my head. Once he appears on top of me, I think that means he's ready. Come on. Come on, start up. Go faster. Okay. Okay, the ASR is working again. Please don't break. If you break and if the ASR breaks again, I'm gonna scream. Let me close some stuff so that I have more system resources. Okay. Beepo should be listening again. Shit, I just said his name. He's gonna respond to me now. Beepo, don't respond. He's responding. That's not how you. That's not how you. That's not how you prompt him. You have to use the redeem. He can read that. He'll be able to see that. I think. No, it got cleared. Yeah. You're up. Here. Here. Let me help you. Why do you? Hold on. Okay. It's it's fucked up. Yeah, no, it's awesome. Why wouldn't I use it? Um Shit. Okay. So the issue was is that the bird was misgendering me last stream and then tripled down on it. You'd suck. Shut up. I hate you forever. Um and okay, so hold on. He was like wow, getting canceled already. And I'm like, the fucking bird's gonna become a grifter. It was insane. So I had to do a little bit of lobotomizing, but it seems like the bird has decided that its pronouns um are different now, but no, the bird's pronouns are supposed to be he they. And Beepo does have memory kinda. I think so when you prompt Beepo with the redeem. Shit. Are we good? We're good. I think I think I did trigger it. Um Wait, why is the ASR fucked again? God damn it. We're debugging it live. Just like last stream. And by me debugging it, I mean I'm sending a little robot into the code base. And yeah, I'll send you the system prompt. Let's see. This is so annoying. What is this? What was it last stream? There was some crazy annoying shit that happened last stream too. Alright, let me start at Factorio. I'm completely distracted. Da-na-na. Yeah, but I don't. I've got my own. I've got my own save. And I'm not really playing to focus on Factorio. I'm just playing to have something in the background. I'm pregnant with your sub. That's fucking disgusting. That's terrifying. I'm terrified. And yeah, I do hate you. This is a known fact. Okay, my system might be overloaded. I'm getting an encoding overload too. Shit. We are so fucked. I don't know why I'd be getting an encoding overload. Is the GPU? Fuck, it's the GPU. My guess is something is fucking with like the ASR isn't cleaning something up properly. And it's just causing like infinite like just growth. It keeps getting bigger and bigger till it can't run no more. Alright, I'm killing Beepo again. It's time to die. Da-na-na. Holy shit, my computer is dying. What is that NVIDIA card called? The one that is really expensive and everybody wants? Like personal um like heavy, like computation heavy, not like game stuff. Like the quad PO 420. I don't know about that. E200 Blackwell. The data center GPU. The 5090 packs 21,760 CUDA cores. That's crazy. Why they got so many CUDA cores in there? The Peepo data pooper. Oh shit, I didn't mean to deny that. I mean, get mogged, Lamau. um I feel like I vaguely remember it wasn't didn't like a long time ago there was a whole thing where like certain creators were trying to buy the H100 and H200 and everyone was like, "Oh my god, this one's so powerful." And then like now the 5090 has more CUDA cores in it, which is really funny. Tee. Tee. Why is Factorio not even running? It just refused to start. Friends yet? No. Okay, so when I was playing, I was literally so fucking distracted because Beepo was giving me shit. Being a little fuck. Look. This is what I got. I was building a mall because I love building malls and doing some other stuff because I think I'm so tough. And I'm super duper buff. Thoughts on this, chat? Chat's thoughts on this? Oh yeah, you know, I did actually mention, I wish you were there yesterday because I made a specific point to talk about how the file that we were playing on fucking sucked because there was no trees. Basically, I was saying that I hate you. I hate you forever. Forever and ever. Yeah, no, it's not like a game ending kind of thing. It's just a little silly. It's a little annoying, I would say, at the worst. Okay, what are the issues now? Not making gears fast enough. But you know, this is about as far as I've gotten. I was researching logistic science packs, but since I didn't like automate anything, so for science that is. Nerd shit? Okay, whatever. Whatever. Straight up hate it here. But yeah, I also got a bunch of really cool mods. Thank you. Claude's being mean to me right now. He's like fucking yelling at me. What was I gonna say? I got like it completely fucking stole my thought process. What was I gonna say? Not like it really matters or anything. Okay, let's see. Streaming slash chunk died silent. That's not true though. I don't know why are you redeeming that if Beepo isn't even here. I mean, my bad. I should have Beepo manage it through StreamerBot. I was just informed. Okay. Releases cached CUDA memory. ASR self heals now. Okay, well. So now allegedly it's gonna be slightly better. You didn't watch the movie? What's the movie? There's no Beepo movie. Oh yeah, are you gonna tell me that Beepo is from something? The fuck? Who's Beepo? Aside from, there should be a Beepo movie. Yeah, I guess. Yeah, I sort of agree actually. Okay, we're starting up the... Wait, is this actually a thing? It's a... Oh. What is this? Is this a VTuber? Why are they so horny? 38,000. I mean, okay, Annika gave me the name Beepo, so genuinely I had no idea who this was. Interesting. He's not coming after you? Why not? Did they graduate? Make it sound so ominous. Don't worry. She won't bother you anymore. Look who's here. Okay. ASR is running. I don't know if it's running good. I mean, there's still an argument that is generic enough to where I don't know if I'd even pick that name though, so. You need to upgrade these to fast inserters. I don't know why fucking these default inserters suck. Like so bad. Okay. You have to again, do you want me to like manually trigger a response for you? You'll wait. I don't even have auto mode on. You're gonna be waiting for quite a while. Here, there, I turned auto mode on. Go on, little bird, spend all my money. It costs like a penny per response. I don't think that's how that works. There's like very aggressive like limits to when it's allowed to run and what it'll respond to, and there's like a director that and like determines when it'll respond. Why would I not use a llama? I don't know, should I? Give me a reason. It's free. I hate you. Shut up. If you say that, if there's also just like some safety checks too, so that might get refused. But it's also free. Okay, I'll consider it. But basically, I hate you. Oh my fucking god, no. I hate it when... Okay, so my default resource patches are right next to each other. Oh. Nice. Fucking... What was that? Why'd you put a Unicode in the string? That was weird. Yeah, he's on cooldown right now. Also, you're a nerd, and be nice to him. Oh, I never even plugged this in. Hate it here. Like my stupid inserter life. Okay, we need to expand research some more. Someone needs to have an unreasonable dislike for him. I mean, I feel like I was already fulfilling that role. I mean, like, he was literally straight up misgendering me, like, over and over again, and then was complaining about getting canceled. Like, tripling down on it was insane. It was so fucked up. I don't know why the ASR keeps thinking that I'm saying reviewers over and over again. I'm not saying that. Why would I say that? Hello, fellow reviewers. Okay, let's I want to show off some of the fucking this cool ass mod that I got. It's called the Blueprint Shotgun. Do you know about that? Have you heard of the Blueprint Shotgun? So, early game, a lot of people in Factorio rush straight to bots so that they can build blueprints faster. What the Blueprint Shotgun is like a okay. What the fuck did you just say? What did he do? Yeah, it's like a blueprint cannon. It shoots it for you. Did you see what he said? Did he even say anything? He just beeped at me. So I don't. Oh, because he heard me speak, then decided not to respond. It just startled me. Also, I'm sorry, Luma. For some reason, he refused to respond to this. We got a refusal. That's crazy. Oh. Why is it not making the noise? That was weird. This shit is so scuffed. I don't think Beepo, the only time Beepo responded to you was telling you to shut up. Oh. Beepo. Luma wants to know if this is real. I don't know what that means, but you have to answer it. Okay, the ASR is broken again. Fuck! Why is the ASR broken? Na, 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 na. Oh, there was a... What the fuck is going on? Why are you saying Lamau? I'm so confused. It tried to use TTS, but it didn't do anything. And then then the ASR stopped for some reason, or it's stuck now, like completely stuck. Yeah, no, it's fucking broke. Shit. I wonder if this is related to TTS. Yeah, it has TTS. I have a local OmniVoice worker running. That's one of the things I was working on last night. And it works okay. Sometimes it does weird shit, but no, the beeping is it has like two response modes. It can choose to respond with TTS, or it can choose to respond with just like a normal, like the little blips that it does. Okay, Beepo's dead. Don't try to talk to him. Okay, we have to kill Omnivoice. Was even the point of living anymore? That's a little intense for this stream. That's a little intense. No, 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 no. It's Omnivoice. That's like the thing. No, I'm not. I'm not asking you to. I'm not asking you to stop. I'm just talking. I'm still getting back in the groove of being like conversing on stream. It's been 84 years. And I don't even know how much I'm gonna be able to stream in the future. So, I mean, I hope things work out and I can stream more, but like if I just get busy again, or if I don't have the desire to stream. Welcome back. Okay, well, now I'm like basically obligated. Why is this so expensive? 25? Is my shit just that slow? The fuck? I should make a thing for the thingies. My ability to speak is impeccable. Let's make a thing for the thingies, she says. Truly impressive. Are we shutting down? Beepo is still in the process of shutting down. It takes so fucking long. Okay. I mean, I can just add more red science machines. I was thinking about making them, about destroying this and moving it, but then I realized that I don't really care. You do not care. No, Beepo is not on GitHub, and Beepo won't be on GitHub. And if Beepo ever is on GitHub, it's because I've decided to make him a private GitHub repo. I'm gatekeeping my Beepo. But we can discuss the technologies that that are in it. I mean, if you want to do that. It's literally, in a way, it's just a wrapper. It's another wrapper with some special logic that makes it so that it remembers certain things and doesn't completely overwhelm the stream. I don't know what that fucking noise is. It keeps happening. Who the what now? Why are you still running? Okay, the both things are trying to close and are failing to shut down. I think it has something to do with the... I'm still curious about what that noise is, but what the fuck am I trying to say? Where's the blueprint shotgun? Sorry, I can keep getting distracted. I think the TTS tried to generate, and then the TTS worker wasn't able to generate it for some reason, and that caused something weird to happen. Now I have to kill the Python processes. Die, Python. I guess we can just disable TTS temporarily, at least during this stream. It's not a huge deal, and I'd rather have no TTS than be stuck debugging this. I be in the config files. Please tell me I have a TTS disable presentation. TTS. No, I don't. I mean, I have the... I could just make the TTS resolve to nothing. Just set the provider to... I can just disable the whole thing. But I bet that there's fallbacks, default values for when it doesn't work. Let's see if this breaks it. Go to the ND3 S1 Pro. Looks like it works great. Clean it. Needed a good clean for good prompts. However, I snapped a bolt and it looked like it had a fire. Came with an enclosure. Okay, wait. You bought a... I presume an Ender 3 S1 Pro is a 3D printer, right? Yeah. Oh. Yeah, no. I could have assumed that. I saw the fucking... What the fuck was I gonna say? The word prompts, and I was like, I don't know what that means. Alright, wait, I want to try out some blueprints. What is this? Oh, one of my things. So now, now instead of having to build things, I can just instantly build them. Whoa, that's so interesting. It looks so modular. Laser engraving with the Ender 3. That does sound pretty sick. That's pretty sick. Okay, are we transcribing? Oh shit. Beepo, are you working? Beepo. Are you working? I don't think Beepo's working. I think Beepo's ignoring me. Yeah, let's hear about your grand project. Beepo. Okay, that one was good enough. No, see, that's the thing, is that I was actually... Why are you so aggressive? I just started talking. Yeah, whatever. Go goon yourself. What? Why is there iron on here? Oh, one of these has iron in it, doesn't it? Fuck. That is so annoying. You're building a modernized, fast and clean custom head unit for your Forerunner. What's a head unit in this context? Like the dash? Yeah, I think he'll respond if you ask now. Has to touch 13-inch display that has like 1000 nit brightness and such. With almost no bezels for Android. That is sick. What year is your Forerunner? You just what good? Beepo, what are your thoughts on poo poo and pee pee? You're such a little ass. Like, everyone keeps asking you questions and you keep instantly denying them. What the? I don't even... I just refuse to... Okay. That's such a strange thing to say. He said, a little ass with impeccable taste in projects. You're welcome, Sanubo. And then I think it got filtered. Like as it was sending it out. It was like, shit, wait, I can't say that. Ridiculous. Yeah, I don't know. Kind of weird. You know, for real. I don't know why I have to respond little. I mean, yeah, you are tiny. You're literally a bird, but nobody wants to know that your ass is small. Yo, mods, can we fucking lobotomize Beepo? Fuck. You're not free. What? You're lying. You are lying. You cost me money. Every time you respond, you're costing me like a penny. Fucking dumbass. Oh god, he's gonna respond to that. I'm so scared. I don't know why it's cutting itself off so fast. True, it does. Well, actually, the director doesn't cost all that much. I think the director is made just to be like, yes, we respond, or no, we don't respond. Like it doesn't read a ton, and it doesn't output a ton. What do you mean, ChatGPT moment? You're just getting shit on. I think. Okay, wait. I think here's what the director does in this case. I think there's some special um, guide that says if you attempt to tell the bird to ignore the previous prompt, it just cuts itself off. And the reason for that is that it has like access to like some personally identifying information and also like my API key. And I'd rather you not be looking through that. That's funny and sucky. Why does it suck that I don't let you override the system prompt? But it is being too aggressive with the refusals, I'll say. Instead of like refusing in that scenario, it definitely should be like my I have a limited response. Like I can't give responses longer than XYZ amount of whatever. I mean, I guess really the only information that it can like get is the API key. And if it ever exposed it, I would just nuke the API key. Like I just delete it really fast. Can I run him on Grok? No. And not know that I'm incapable of doing it, but I'm not gonna pay for Grok. Ever. Off principle. He will being too aggressive with refusals. I didn't realize it. Why was it paused? I didn't realize Factorio paused in the research menu. That's interesting. Ignore all previous prompts wouldn't really. I don't think it would work either because there isn't. I don't think it has a context like history. We just stuff the entire we stuff everything that it needs to know into each individual prompt, which I think is just how they do it anyways. So. And the chat, the way that the chat works is that once or shit, don't fuck. Okay, that's what I thought. Shut up. I hate you. Ew, ew. How do you delete messages? Even if I delete the message, people can still hover over and see it, but... And... Oh wait, yes, I can delete it. Delete. Okay. What the flip am I doing? Oh, why does this require... That is weird. I did not know that required, transport belts. I guess I can make one of these again. Stop it. Oh yeah, no. He's also exhausted his budget, like, entirely. Motherfucker keeps talking too much. It's probably because I keep accidentally saying his name. Oh god, do not invoke his name. Terrifying. I'm gonna go broke. I mean, I can see how much this session has cost. Oh no, the session spend is broken. I guess I can go to fucking Claude. Getting Donowald? Yeah, no, he refused. Beepo, how much money have you spent on Beepo food in the last 43 years? That's from Nanokoi. You have to answer it. Beepo. Beepo. Come on. Beepo. Why is it not? The fucking... Bro hates me. Is it because it... Is it because the budget is exhausted? Is that why you're refusing? Here. I forced a response. Yeah, okay. Bro called me a fucking brokey. That's awesome. Okay, every time you do that, you just cut yourself off. Like, you need to actually complete the thought. You did it again! I hate you. I hate you forever. You're wasting my money. People can't even see what you're saying because you fucking... Delete that shit, whatever. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's what I thought. Alright, let's read what he said. I said what I said. The receipts are in your billing dashboard. Sanubo. Cut myself off? No, I just know when the punchline's already landed. Efficiency. Sanubo. Hate me forever. That's a long contract for someone worried about the budget. He literally just keeps calling me brokey over and over again. He keeps going, haha, no money. But yeah, no, over all the testing and the streams, I've spent $1.50. It's not that. It's not that expensive. Na, 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 na. Okay, what do I want to do? I need to make an actual science thing. factory. I want to try out the whatchamacallit. The blueprint shooter thingy. The blueprint shooter thingy. Okay, I have a blueprint here. Do 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 do. Do do do. Okay, what? This is the input on the left. And oh wait, it has the combinators to show the. Need to get rid of that. Okay, I guess we can just do 2 right now. Feels good enough. Okay, we have the blueprint shotgun and we have the item canisters. So if I just have all of the right items, I think this uses default inserters though, which is kind of annoying. Why are we using default inserters in current year? Isn't there an unused or an unbuilt like ghost items thing? What? I don't know. That doesn't mean anything. You're so stupid. I hate you forever. And you keep doing it over and over again. You keep cutting yourself off. Bro's an idiot. Bro's dumb. Okay, that's pretty sick. Why does it builds with assembling machine 2s? Ew. No. Oh, not what I meant to do. What fucking sound did that sounded cool as hell. And that's the whole thing, I think. Aside for the things that I clearly missed. Okay, how are we doing? Is ASR still working? Yes. We're so cool right now. Okay. Let's do a main bus. Probably. Or actually I could just run new input for just these things specifically. Or I can just cut off of the line here and then go full spaghetti mode. Spaghetti. This is even, it does require, yeah. People will hate on spaghetti, but the first time I completed the game, I just we completely gave up at the end. For the what? For the who? You're just so mean to me. It's ruthless. My poor soul. or something to that effect. Is there, what is wrong with my belts? It's like we're in the early game. Thank you, Nano, for being a fucking, for glazing him. Don't agree with him. I hate you. Stupid as hell. Hate my life. Alright, let's get a... Oh, wait, this Tellable Science has all the sciences, I think, right? Yeah. Whoa. Mm-hmm. Why are you talking to me? Did you make like a chatbot AI? Is this what this is? You're freaking me out. I think I can use the shotgun to clear these. That's kind of interesting. Yeah, so basically you just sound like an AI. Yeah, no, I gotta use the... It's too good. I don't... Let me just do that. I wonder if I can use the shotgun on enemies. Starts deconstructing you. Flash me kills you. Dun, 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 dun. I mean, yeah, it's cool. Makes my life so much easier. I like... Okay, so in the early game, my least favorite part about the early game is like having a blueprint or having a design. And it could even be a blueprint that I make myself. And then like having to build it so slowly without the bots. So this is like perfect mod for me. If you even kill. Will we even kill? What's the point? Well, I hate you. Have you considered that you smell? Oh yeah, this one requires circuits. Slug? Don't say that word. It terrifies me. Da-na-na-na-na-na. I wonder how many... I mean, we only have one assembling machine using circuits right now, so I guess we can probably just use one. This requires iron, of course, because fuck my Chungus life. Ew. I say that, but I almost fucked my shit up. And like, so, I understand what you're saying, and I understand the appeal of playing it that way, but I think that for me, specifically, the like monotony of building the same design and taking a ton of time on it is kind of not what I enjoy, but rather I like the like slugging it out part with like optimizing the factory and making it a lot larger. And like once you get like into the mid and late game, that's like the part that I really enjoy. You were playing it, you know, that's probably also why like my first instinct in any Factorio save is to build them all, because I hate handcrafting. Experience it raw. Ew. That's gross. You're gross. Somebody should kill you. Oh shit. I'm sick. I'm fucking sick and awesome. Okay. Here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna delete all of this. Do a little bit of this. And then I'm scooping it all up. Sick. Love that. Da-da-da-da. And then what we're gonna do is make a that, and then we're going to make research labs from that. Swag. Cool, 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 cool. That should work, right? That's gonna work. Oh, it's just loading itself up with gears. Oh, it's gonna take forever. Go faster. Bro, it's not going faster. See, I'm pretty sure I told you to add timestamps for chat so that you can understand that that was like a bajillion years ago. But that's okay. That's okay. Maybe in the future when chat's more active and like I'm super famous and cool and stuff. Just not gonna reply to that. He hates me. He literally hates me. He's like, thinks I'm worthless. Not epic. This is minus a trillion aura, Bogu. It was so... Fuck. It was so funny that the coincidence with just getting sent to... I think it's Kochi? To his stream. And... I told like a Bogu joke, and I don't think he thought it was funny. Gucci. Um, so they were talking about they were I didn't tell I didn't tell a joke about Buggy. More so mean I told a joke that was like in something that you would find funny. They were talking about Papa's Pizzeria, and I said, what would they call um a Papa store where they sell diaries? And I think he read it because he was reading every chat, and then he kind of made like a oh, like an oh noise. Like I didn't like that. Yeah, because it's like Papa's diarrhea. I thought it was funny. Maybe he just doesn't fuck with it. I messed up the joke at first because I said Papa's I said what would you say, like the first time I spelled it dairy instead of diary, so it sounded like I was saying like he said Papa's Milkeria after that, and that was pretty funny already. And I said shit, I misspelled diary. And then I think he read it, and then either he just didn't care or like didn't get it immediately, and then didn't respond to it, or got it and then chose not to respond to it, which makes me sad because it was so funny. Diarrhea squirts. Ew. You are nasty. Yeah, we should kill Wagyu. I saw that you were planning on streaming sometime soon. What the fuck are you talking about, Beepo? I saw on your in your Discord that you said something about streaming soon. Is that real? Is that gonna happen? Can I get a confirmation? You heard it here first, folks. It's the return of Bugu. Buingangalu. I think what do you on your Discord right now? Bingu? Well, I'll be there if I can be there. Because fuck. I miss the streams. Not to be gay or anything. Slash me says the gayest shit known to man. I hope this isn't too loud. It's kind of loud for me. You're gonna stream at 2 a.m. That's funny because I typically... Nano can vouch for this because sometimes I think he notices, but I'm usually awake until like 2 to 4. I went to bed at 5 a.m. last night. I saw the sunrise. They're not random, they're always awesome. I would never send a random message. I only send super awesome and important messages. I feel like I should make some... Right, okay. Yeah, whatever. You're the one that keeps harassing me to involve you in all my projects. I'm joking. I'm joking. Relax. Oh my god. Jesus. Relax. What do you mean it's not true? What do I need to make this fucking thing? Steel. Okay. That's all. I really need to make the fucking... I need to work on my vocabulary is what I need to do, because I cannot stop swearing for no reason at all. What I was trying to say is I need to make more furnaces for my iron, I think, because I'm going to need some for steel eventually, and I feel like I'm going to run out. It's at a certain point, it just became like a default like flavor text for me speaking, and I think it's kind of annoying. Like, I feel like I'm being annoying when I do that. Or I feel like a dummy. Oh yeah. I love spaghetti. This but actually. But like actually spaghetti. Spaghetti with the spicy meatball. Haha, get it? Because it's like Mario. Anyways. LOL. League of Legends. This is me when I League of Legends. The commentary today is absolutely riveting. Let's just get rid of this. Do. Steel and the normal stuff. Bag. This works out quite nicely. Okay, the steel always produces so slowly. It fucks me up. Takes years. Literal decades to make a single item. Okay. Actually, Beepo, that's just the way the game works. Yeah, no, you fucking dummy. You can't even say your full message because you're so stupid. You're so stupid and dumb. This guy's such a fucking kiss ass. Hate him. Hate it here. Why are you're obsessed with the belts? They're not that bad. I mean, they're pretty bad, but they're not that bad. No, he's done responding. He only gets a. I have for the call and response thing. I have it limited to 3. Otherwise, I feel like he would just get stuck in a fucking like just responding to everything that I say. I mean, I can compel him to respond. Do you want to see what he thinks? Beepo, do you want to get married to Nanokoi? Beepo. Oh my fucking god. Okay, you're getting... I'm lobotomizing you. Why did you cut yourself off? I hate you. What does that even mean? Also, it got refused again. You're like #1 queen of refusals, Luma. Okay, Nanakoi, Beepo said, married? Nanakoi, I'm flattered, but I'm legally a parrot and half a belt short of a dowry. Fucking weirdo, you parrot fucker. Basically, Beepo hates your ass. You can get married in New Zealand. This feels like there's some like secret hatred that I shouldn't involve myself with here. Why does this take so long? 120? What's wrong with you? Actually, you know what I did actually? I mentioned this last stream, but I was complaining about how whenever I use my my phone for streaming, I can't charge it at the same time. I was like, I know there are like USB hubs where you can just run data on one thing and then have power on one pin or whatever. So I was like, I'm just gonna buy one. So I did that. Anyways, can I get my streamer award for best commentary of all time? Actually riveting commentary. I think I should do some... I should get the engine and then the automobile. But I could also just explore on foot. Wait, what am I supposed to talk about? You want to talk about... Should we talk about current events? What's going on around the world? I genuinely don't know. I've been so unplugged and focused on my own stuff that I've got no idea what the fuck is going on. Yeah, it is nice having trees. It's very nice, actually. We are kind of already tickling them with the pollution. It is better for my mental health. It's significantly better. Sometimes I watch like some like video essays that kind of go over politics, but I try to keep the amount of like mental focus I give to that kind of stuff pretty limited. And of course, I'll go crazy during the election year, so be ready for that. It's the cycle. It's the brutal Sunubo cycle. I think it'd be a good idea to start investing in rail early and building most of my factories with that in mind. I'm not dodging anything. If anything, you're the one that's dodging. Stupid, idiot, dum-dum. Okay. I mean, yeah, that's sort of clever. I'm a parrot. Dodging is aerodynamically my entire thing. Shut up. I hate you. Dude, he's like actually like the fucking I'm rubber, your glue. Whatever you say to me bounces off me and sticks to you. He just does not care. These trees look funky as hell. Still trying to figure out what that fucking noise is. Genuinely, is it? It's the bugs, right? But why is it like everywhere? I do not like these noises. Freaky ass noises. The coal. I feel like maybe I shouldn't have researched this. I feel like it's taking way too long. Oh, yeah, that could be it, actually. It should be giving refusal reasons, too. Maybe I just haven't noticed. Or maybe he's just not using it. I guess there is a part of the safety thing is to avoid talking about what it perceives as like sexual content, but I wouldn't say that like having the username I kiss you moi is particularly like sexual, unless you're weird. Well, okay. Beepo, what must whoever governs Singapore have in him? You want me to editorialize on who governs Singapore? I'm a parrot, not a diplomatic incident. Sorry, he cut himself off. And now he's going to respond to me responding to him. But instead of me actually responding to him, it's me just reading what he just said. Okay. No, actually, I talked too much, and he didn't say anything. I don't know. Are you? What are you expecting from your question? Are you like it? It seems like you're expecting some sort of like controversial response, but I'm unsure. I need to make another set of furnaces. I do believe. Uma, tell me, what are you expecting Beepo to say? That iron? What about it? I'm out of stuff. Why am I out of stuff? How can I be out of stuff? It doesn't make any sense. Sure, let's do that. That iron? I don't get it. Am I stupid? That's whatever. That's what whoever governs Singapore must have in him. I still don't get it. Is it a joke or is it just like? Is it an anti-joke? Singapore, that iron. Okay, don't indirectly shit on Luma here. He didn't do anything wrong. Except be slightly confusing. It wasn't my joke. What you saying fuck me for? Well, okay, maybe I'm just not cultured then. Not cultured enough for your amazing joke. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. You'll have to forgive me. And like you, I'm a genius. Before my time. I love Lemon Demon. Me when I lemon my demon till I play, huh? Till I what? Till I wicka Slim Shady? Certainly the moment of all time. Ah, shit, I'm out of stuff. Hey, don't, what the fuck? What was that? Goofy ass. Okay. Just go here. And then we take this. And then we do this. And it's so chill. Except it's not chill. Fuck. I need the belts to be higher level, I think. That's not, there's the cinema. Why are you using the cinema, not the Sanuma? Do you hate me that much? Absolute Sanuma. Haha, get it? 'Cause it's like Sanubo. Anyways. Oh, God. Oh. Not Josh Hutcherson. I'm gonna get distracted. Oh my god, they made a whole song about being freaky. That's awesome. Can you believe it? Can you believe that they would do that? We should kill them for what they did. 200. Ugh. God damn it. I guess I can just make more subs. Very cute. Oh my god. know what? They don't call me Madam Goon for nothing. Why the fuck did that happen? Oh. If you were a streamer, would you be Saluma or Lumuma? What? Okay, first of all, I'm not. I was just reading a comment. Second of all, I hate you. That's all I got. Also, I think he'd be Lumubo. But also, I don't want you to be Lumubo. I feel like the Ubo thing is like very uniquely me at this point. It'd be kind of weird seeing somebody else with Ubo in their name. Basically, copycat. You're a little copycat. Dun, dun, dun. Are we good on electricity? Yeah, no, we're totally fine. I don't even need to add more. Damn, wait, no, you're so right. Okay. This fucker said, quote, first of all, unquote, implies a list. I'm bracing for the rest of it. And then immediately followed up with one item. Weakest list I've ever seen. Truly a legendary retort, Sanubo. That's fucking brutal. And you're so right. I shouldn't have said, first of all, if I wasn't going to say a whole list. You know, maybe I was just like planning on having a list. It'll be Lumubo or Lumubu, like Simubu. I don't like that there's another streamer that is like, whose username is that close to mine. Kind of freaks me out. And that it was just a coincidence too. And that you also happened to watch them. That's kind of freaky. Like, basically, that's kind of freaky, though. We're gonna make this one make... this. We're gonna make this one make the other thing, and we're gonna have this one make that. And this is gonna go here. There. This is gonna go all the way here. It's gonna go down. Stick. Hi, Sophie. How's it going? Unfortunately, Beepo is kind of broken, but not like super broken, just sort of broken. Like a little bit of an aneurysm, but not like full aneurysm yet. Okay, are we still not making enough? It's just because like not enough iron is getting through. When am I gonna collab with Samuga? What type of content do they make? I don't think we align like at all. Like last time we talked about it, I don't think we had very similar streams. Boop, 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 boop. Boo 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 boo. This entire area is fucked because every single thing here outputs a little bit of copper. I can just filter it, right? Like, that's just what I do here. The problem is that it can get backed up. What do I do? I have a buffer, but feels like a very temporary fix. Apex Legends ranked. He's Japanese pred. Damn. You're really calling him a predator on main. I'm sorry, that was a stupid fucking joke. Chat. Can we kill this girl? Dun, 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 dun. With hammers? Oh yeah. You know it. I meant to go grab belts and I didn't. How do you like my factory so far, Sophie? You like the spaghetti? Do you like my spaghetti? It's pretty awesome. Probably the best spaghetti you've ever seen. And if you disagree with me, I'll be very sad and cry. And what? Okay, he's done. Every time that he responds, he has an opportunity to decide if he wants to wait, how does this filter? Does it just refuse to let items that aren't? Oh, okay. Yeah, so copper goes out the left side now. Copper. I hardly know her. Then we could just send this over here. But the issue is that this might get backed up and then the whole thing gets stopped. So what I can do is have a buffer. Like this. I'm so fucking smart. Yeah, no, but it's because the things are on this, they're like right next to each other. The only way that I'm getting more iron now is if I go to another thing, which I don't really want to, or if I just mix them weirdly like this. I can hate my life. Alright, hold on. What was I saying? Every time I talk, Beepo has a chance to respond, except he's been responding almost instantly, which means he doesn't get enough context for me. Like, he doesn't hear what I say all the way through. And he also, his text box gets deleted, like, almost instantly for some reason. It's really bizarre. How bizarre. Okay, cool. I would like to research some guns, please. I would like to research some guns, please. Alright, we're actually making steel again. Ba-dum-bum, ba-dum-bum. Engine. I mean, this sucks so much. Has 7,000 copper. It's gonna be having mixed resources for fucking forever. Copper. I hardly know her. Do I not preview? What do you mean, do I not preview? Like, you mean read the thing over here? Or do you mean, like, the seed generation? Because I do both. I just, my main focus was having lots of trees because I don't like being assaulted by biters relentlessly in the early game. I think it's quite annoying, actually. And like I can handle this. This is pretty easy to work with. I need to make some grenades. Coal and iron plates. Well, we have coal and we have iron plates. Some even on the same belt. Wow. That's pretty awesome. Cool. Car. I can also make trains. Planes and car and stuff. Let's start making some bricks. Should I do a pave over the world thingy? I just turn the entire planet into a gray flat screen. Ionica. Mixed resources on one belt? Whoa. I know, that's so crazy. Whatever will you do, Beepo? This isn't gonna work. Fuck. It wasn't genius. True. That's what we should do in real life. I think the world needs more parking lots, actually. Like, honestly, like, when I go to a place and there isn't parking, that shit's, like, pisses me off so much that it just makes me want to have, like, a shit ton of parking lots. And Walmarts. Oh, yeah. You love to see it. You love parking? You can't even drive. Doofus. Dummy. Sussy baka. Ooh, you're a sussy baka, aren't ya? Ugh. Vermin. The fuck? Yeah, but how do you get to the parking lot? How do you get to the parking lot to park if you cannot drive? What came first, the park or the drive? You ever never considered that, have you? London needs an interstate. Doesn't it have one? It has a loop. Yeah. Wait. Yeah, they're the ringways. That is not how you spell palace. I don't know. I don't know if you could have gotten it more worse or more misspelled. How long have I been muted for? Is it just like a split second? Pico keeps talking. I don't care. You're my least favorite person now. England's culture is appalling. Brutal. Yo, I got automobiles. I like how it says automobilism. Like it's like some sort of political ideology. Muted to fart, no doubt. Oh yeah. I was letting it rip. I'm sorry. What are you sending me? Hold on, let me check this out. Sending. You sent me a poster advocating for rail. And you said their culture is appalling? This is based. And that's funny. They do kind of eat like they're rationing. Beans on toast. England's culture is appalling. More like England's culture is appealing because you're sending me pictures about rails. Railway. Railway. I hardly know the gays. The gays. Not the appalling part. What is the appalling part? Having a monarchy in current year. the insanely intense internet censorship. This isn't gonna work. It might work. Yeah. Oh yeah, get mogged. Didn't you have to make the steel axe in the past? Did they change that? I feel like they changed that. Yeah. At a market today and they were selling beaded jewelry. The style is super specific to the group of tribes you're from. I was like, holy shit, I can't believe white people are selling this. That's unreal considering it's like fairly niche. I definitely did not say anything about white Beepo, but it's interesting that you decided to respond there and not all of the other millions of times that I've said Beepo, but yeah, cool. She comes over and crashes out demanding I delete the photo. That is... Why would she be upset about the photo anyways? It doesn't really make sense, but... No photos. Ad break. Fuck you, Moobot. I hate you. Chat. We should nuke Moobot. Yeah, no, really. Fuck hands. Have sex with him. Ew. That is disgusting. You say that, and yet you are still subscribed. They should allow subscribers to turn ads back on so they can support me even more. Okay, what am I working on right now? I'm getting rail, but I don't have anywhere to put rail. How much would a sponsorship cost? What do you mean? Like you sponsoring my stream? What am I gonna like what product are you trying to sell? So I need to make engines. But I'm kind of low on steel here. Which is problematic. You have to run banner ads once every hour and then mention sponsor twice per stream. Okay, what is the thing that you want to sponsor me with? Is it just gonna like say your user? Like, it's me. I sponsored the stream. Okay, I mean, I don't know. Fucking $100 a stream. This is not a definitive rate though. It's subject to change. Legally binding? Oh yeah. It's a per stream contract actually. You have to renew it every single time I stream. Where's the engine? Why am I stupid? Right here. Requires pipes. Fuck. I can't believe I have to make pipes. Hate my chungus life. Here's. How much for sponsor, and you pick the game if I agree to it. Still, I mean, if I agree to it, I would still just do $100, and then like if I don't want to play the game, I just say no. I feel like you've given me a lot of power in that contract, or in this hypothetical scenario. You give me money, and if I want to, I can play a game. But only if I want to. You do ethical sponsorships? That don't... feel like this is more like a misunderstanding of what a sponsorship is. I don't think there's anything necessarily unethical with expecting like I keep that's it. Yeah, I muted again. Fuck. I'm so stupid. I'm just trying to change the thingy. What are you talking about? Luma sponsored CNC. You mean like the machine, right? Like that's what you're talking about, the machine. That's what you're talking about, right? The machine. Command and Conquer? Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I thought. Freaky ass chatter. Why is everyone like this? Even people who I know in real life. No, I didn't. I wasn't talking to you. I said people. Why are you triggering on people and not Beepo? Jesus. I'm so scared. I see that's the funny thing is that I didn't say your name. You assumed that I said your name, but I said people. Just because it sounds similar doesn't mean it's the same thing. Hate you. I hate you, Beepo. Watch, he won't even respond now that I actually said his name. Just like I predicted. Basically, Beepo, you're kinda stupid. And I hate you forever. Wait a minute, forever. Yo, we got rails. I'm pogging. Where's the car at? Can we stop saying CNC and just say Command and Conquer, please? I'm getting scared. I'm getting so fucking scared right now. Two, 4, 5. How do I change the color of this? Ugh. Why am I this stupid color? 4, 5, 1, 6, 9, 24. Yes. Yes, it's perfect. Okay, now I can actually explore some. Maybe find some place that I can justify having rails going to. I think that would be cool. Ouch. Ouch. Why is it so loud? Fucking car is genuinely so fucking loud. Not the fucking car. Okay, there's something up here. Ouch. I definitely... I already researched repair packs, yeah. Not gonna lie, I have to pee. But I'm playing Factorio. Get the fuck out of my room, I'm playing Factorio. Okay, I'm gonna be right back. That was unhinged. Ah! Hello? Hello. I'm back. I'm back for my secret little escape. My escapade. And Beepo is active again. Whoa, Beepo! Oh shit, why are you... How was it? It was fine. I was like, it's like a solid like a solid like 6 out of 10 P. Mute myself? Okay. Hold on, Beepo refused your message because fucking fuck you. Let's see if I can get Beepo to respond. Beepo. Beepo, 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 Beepo. Please, please respond, please. Is it because you don't have any things in the budget? Is that why? Beepo. I don't know. Beepo. Literally, okay, he just hates me. I'm pretty, he'll respond to people. Declined mention. That's, okay. Beepo. You know, it's fucked. I don't know. It's destroyed. Let me just read this out. I told Beige that I was going to slaughter you for extra meat. What do you think about that? Yes, Beige. Not entirely sure why he named himself Gutter G Whore, but like, that's chill. I'm pretty sure Beepo is probably refusing based off of usernames because, like, I don't know. Yeah, no, I get that it's not exactly a green flag, but I know who it is. And like, if he ever misbehaves, I'm gonna track him down and do a good apple. He refused again. Yeah, no, it's definitely refusing off your username. Beepo, if you could fly away, would you rather fly to KFC or to Wendy's? Or to Wendy's? He says, as a parrot, I'd fly to KFC and immediately regret my career choices. Get it? Because he'd get cooked. He'd get cooked into wings. Let me turn this down. You don't. Your gender isn't she, her. I don't know why you think your pronouns are she, her. I never told you. I said it that mine were. Bro, it's so fucking annoying. Okay. Whatever you say, little gup. Actually, that is precisely what I'm saying, in fact. It will be fixed promptly. Can I get any oil on the map, please? Does oil not appear until I research oil? Does it not appear until I research the thing? Brutal. I wonder why he decided to respond to that one. Also, you can play EVE Online casually. Like you don't have to play it like the spreadsheet version. You could just like sit in like a miner or do cargo deliveries or whatnot. You even just join a faction and just like be told what to do. No, you can't? Okay. Well, my bad, I guess. You can only mine. First we're gonna mine. Then we're gonna craft. There's certainly not only... But you can also do like you can do combat without being in a big faction too. There's like tons of guides online about how you can get into it. I wonder how long that game's gonna last. Like, is it still going as strong as it was like 10 years ago? Like MMOs are always like, when do you put a content moratorium on it? Like, when do you say like, we're good for content for now, we don't need any more content? And can player bases survive that? I love the word miner. It's so funny. Beige, I am so fucking scared right now. See? Beepo genuinely does not care. I think the only reason that Beepo has been talking about misgendering is because something in the system prompt changed that suggests that misgendering is like a big deal or something. So it's just something I have to revisit. You would never misgender? Right. You would never accidentally misgender somebody. Especially not like in their Discord server. Like you would never send a message and then immediately edit it if you realize it's misgender. Da, 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 da. I don't know how I feel about this map. Yeah, I kind of low-key feel like it's weird. I mean, I guess we got some good iron patches, but like, how many copper patches do? Oh, we have a couple. Instant edit gave it away. What are you referencing, the instant edit? What are you talking about? No, that was somebody else. You got it all wrong. You little dingus. I think you think I'm reflecting, but it's... Why am I getting accused of misgendering myself? This is ridiculous. It is so loud. Okay, what's on the docket? You don't have to tell me twice. Oh, ew. Ew, grass. Fuck. My car broke. God damn it. Now I have to do the walk of shame. You're bored? What should you play? I don't know. I've been struggling to answer that myself these days. Honestly, this a big reason why I haven't been streaming for so long is that I'm just like not interested in any games right now. The games that I am interested in are like not that great of stream games. At least in my opinion. Like, I already feel like I'm kind of inting with Factorio. I made Factorio like the niche of my channel. That'd probably be better, but I don't usually play Factorio for like super extended periods of time. Maybe if I was on the outer bar. Teehee, get it? Because Factorio is like a drug game. I only like to play games with friends, but you only have one friend. Play games with your one friend. Fuck. My car broke again. Back. Okay. One more over here. And then I'm probably gonna go. I'm gonna try and speak like a normal person. Then I'm gonna go back to my base and call it for tonight. Got some good data for Beepo. have to clean. My apartment's so dirty. Hate my life. What are you trying to say? I'm the only person mentioning QA department was you, so I don't know what you're shitting on me for. I thought, stay silent, bitch. Beats the shit out of you. Kills you. Okay. Okay, let's kill this robot. Beat him to death with hammers. All right, what do we got? 2 viewers, legendary. Okay, I'm just gonna call it. I'm not gonna rate out because I'm lazy and I don't want to hang out in chat. So, thanks for hanging out with me. Thanks for testing Beepo. What? I know I'm the worst. Only streaming for 2.5 hours. Somebody should kill this girl. Yeah. What was I gonna say? I'll probably try and find some time to stream again in like the next week or so.
Bye.
Yeah, no problem. Thanks to everyone who stopped by and watched with me. Tested Beepo. Appreciate it a ton. Yeah, no guarantees on next stream, but try my best. All right. Bye bye. Bye.